Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today I wanted to share with you guys my catch-all plan with me. So we're going to be creating a spread for June 16th through the 22nd in my catch-all planner, which is called Sketchy Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. So we're gonna get going. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy you're spending more time with me. But yeah, let's get to the spread. You guys know that I don't like to chatter too much before we get going. So today I decided to use a sticker book from it was the Moo Boom, but I actually buy it from E-Star Case, and yeah, this is what we're gonna use today. I am super excited because these stickers are super colorful. You can use my code Kasha for 12% off. I truly appreciate anytime you guys support me. So yeah, let's get going. First off, I'm gonna put this whole village, like town, village, whatever this is, on the left side of my planner. Look how stunning this is. I am so excited. So let's get to it. Look, so awesome, right? Perfect. Down, awesome, beautiful, cool. Next, we're gonna add a lot more stickers and also boxes from Mojo Jojo. I'm using the summer one because it has a lot of those bright colors that are in here. And of course, some of our stencil for bullet points. So there's a lot going on this week when it comes to stickers. So yes, I need tweezers. My nails are so dull when they're rounded like that I can't pick any stickers off. So it's kind of essential for me to use my tweezers. So I have a ton of them now. I have acquired quite a collection over the last few years. I've been using them. My favorite ones are pointy ones, like very pointy, long, straight. So yeah, you guys saw probably many times in my videos. Okay, but let's get going. I don't know what I want on the other side, so I'm just gonna decide. But yeah, look how cute this little like scene up here is with like the little house, and there's a swing. Like it's super cute. And the house is kind of in the back, and the swing is like super in the front. So yeah, very different. So now my bottom like row is kind of taken over by stickers. So we're gonna go ahead and stick to the first two boxes when it comes to the actual to-do list and bullet points. So as you guys know, I'm a little obsessed with my bullet points. I don't do the lines, I just do the circles. And yeah, it's been kind of a revelation that I can't really live without them. I've been using checklists here and there, but it doesn't hit the same, you guys. For some reason, it just really doesn't. So I don't know if this is because I also use a daily grind planner and like the little checklist for all of your daily stuff is like blank and you get to do that. I don't know. I really don't know, but I am so happy whenever I do this. So I'm gonna keep going just like so. So yeah, not changing anything. So yeah, almost done with all of the preparations for my checklist, and then we can move on and keep on decorating. That's my favorite part of these videos. I'm sure that's your guys' favorite part of these videos. I mean, I would be surprised if it wasn't. So we need to find, how about like blue? I think a blue color would go so well with this spread. So I'm gonna go ahead and find Like I want that dark building blue. Do you guys see that? Like on the left side in that big um scene. Like orange and blue are the predominant colors, and I think I'm gonna stick to that. So let's do that. Okay, couple orange ones, and I'm gonna need some small ones to fill in my work schedule as always. So yeah, there's a lot going on in my life, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I'm looking. I think this blue is pretty good. I don't know like if I should introduce another color. I'm always like iffy about mixing too many colors because then I don't seem to like my spreads when there's like too many colors like with the spread. So maybe yellow, orange, and blue. Maybe we can stick to that and see. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yellow box. Let's see. If I add a blue one, will that look horrible? I'm gonna add another big yellow one because I have it. Might as well. It's not like I'm gonna be able to use it for anything else. So, yep. Okay, so now with the blue, let's see. Oh, I actually like it. I like the three colors together like this. I wasn't sure, but I think it's gonna work. So hopefully it will look good. I have doubts, you guys. I really do. Um, so I'm adding smaller stickers, mostly just to track my work hours. As every single time I tell you guys, I'm gonna say it again. I am a salaried employee. That means they don't care how much I work, as long as I work a lot more than my normal hours. So, kind of sucks, but I'm trying to not give them too much. So, I'm tracking my hours and trying to see what can be done. My boss sent me a really cool quote not too long ago. And she sent me like this quote that said, she says, this is 100% you. And what it said was, I'm humble enough to know that I am replaceable at work. However, I'm confident enough to know that it's going to take 4 people to replace me. So I thought that was so funny. So yeah, I know that like they see the value in what I do. However, that doesn't stop sometimes from overworking, oftentimes from overworking actually. Yeah, so that happens. Okay, I'm also always looking for book recommendation. So if you have anything, let me know. I love crime. I love like maybe not horror, but like where they hold you in suspense type of books. I enjoy those a lot. I think they are a lot more fun than books that are predictable because like you never know what's going to happen. So yeah, if you guys have books that you love and you think I should absolutely read, let me know. I did finish not too long ago the McFadden boyfriend series. That was amazing. Or the not boyfriend, what was it? It was the housemaid series. That was fantastic and I loved it. like First Light Wins. If you guys read that, that's an amazing book. I'm not doing any spoilers because I don't know who read what, and I don't want to upset anyone because a lot of people don't like spoilers. That's what I found out. Like, I don't mind spoilers at all. A lot of times it will take pressure off, like getting to the end right away to know what's happening. But yeah, I get that for a lot of people, that's like the what keeps them reading. So I'm not spoiling anything, you guys. There you go. So yeah, so books like that I really, really enjoy. Right now I am reading the Lost Bookshop. That was a really, like, that's a really good book. I'm about halfway through that one. I am enjoying that one. um let's see, the Cinnamon series, that I wasn't like a huge fan of. Like, it's not, I know who's gonna end up with who, like, it's pretty obvious. Did not enjoy it very much. I do like books with a little bit of a twist for me, where you don't know the predictions. And yes, it can have a happy ever after for sure. It can even have a happy ending, um as far as the ending goes. But I don't want to like read the book just to prove myself right that I know all of the predictions are going to come true, you know? Okay, but look at the spread, because I was chatting the whole time, but I'm making the spread while we chat. So look at this thing. It's like coming along. It's kind of awesome. I know that the top picture on Thursday, like the top sticker, is very much like fall. And yes, I understand and I get it, but in my defense, the colors match, and I'm just gonna keep it. So sorry, you guys. Um, yeah. So that's what's happening. I'm gonna add one more box up here on Saturday because I know I have a couple things going on. Look at that. Oh yeah, and then I should be okay. Okay. I don't know if I want to add more stickers. Sometimes when I like add too many stickers, it's an overkill and then I don't like it. So it just depends. I don't know. I never know like if it's too much, if it's enough, what is going on. So I'm almost done. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back and we are all set. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.